Students, today again we are doing the chapter If I Were You by Douglas James. As already I have discussed that this is an interesting play and humorous one also. There is suspense and mystery, and here let us see. I am going to tell you in brief the summary of the play. Let us see. Gerard was a playwright. Playwright is a person who used to write dramas or plays. He had to leave his house to deliver props for a rehearsal. Props, are the items, the things related which we use for drama, the mustache or the clothes or the other things. So, just then an intruder entered his home. When he was about to leave, a criminal minded person, an intruder, he entered his house. He was carrying a gun. There was a gun in his hand, and he wanted to kill Gerard and live on his identity. This man, this intruder, he was a robber. He wanted to, he who was a specialist in the theft of jewels, and he plans to use Gerard's house and car for his schemes. Therefore, he said that he wanted to kill Gerard and live on his identity. The intruder had committed a murder and was wanted by the police. He was a criminal and the police was chasing him. So he thought of stealing Gerard's identity so that he could live peacefully. He would take his identity, his clothes, his style, and everything, and he would kill Gerard. And after taking his identity, he wanted means he would live all peacefully. Then police would not recognize him. He wanted to know details about Gerard before killing him so that he could imitate him well. He wanted to know Gerard's habits and things, how he sits, what he eats, what are his likings and dislikings, so that the people should believe that he is Gerard only. And he wanted so that before killing he should know everything about him. Gerard said that he was a crook too, and that if the intruder stole his identity, even then he would be chased by the police. Gerard told him, okay, if you are smart, I am smarter than you. Even if you will kill me, the police would chase you. He has killed someone and the police had evidence against him. He just told lie to him. उसने उसको झूठ बोल दिया कि मैंने भी किसी को मारा है एंड पुलिस मेरे पीछा कर रही है और पुलिस के पास मेरे लिए एविडेंस भी है. He further added that he was carrying false mustaches and other props so that he could disguise himself. He told the intruder that I have all these false items with me. You can see the clothes or the mustache or everything, because I am going to change my clothes and disguise, and I would change my appearance, and I am about to run away from here. He sensed that the police could raid his house that night, and I feel that today police can come to my home. He had positioned an accomplice on the road to warn him of danger. Gerard fooled the intruder to believe him by saying that if the intruder felt that Gerard was lying, he could kill him. If you feel that I am lying, you can kill me even. As the phone rang, Gerard immediately attended the phone, and he said that anytime the police could raid his house that night. He had positioned an accomplice on the road to warn him of danger. Somebody is appointed on the roadside. He would give him the signal if there will be any sort of danger. So he said Gerard fooled the intruder to believe him by saying that if the intruder felt that Gerard was lying, if you feel that I am lying, you can kill me. When the phone call rang, Gerard said it was his time to leave. He said, now I am going to leave. And when the intruder did not believe Gerard, he asked him to peep out through the door. He said, if you don't believe me, he just, peep out. Peep out is jhankna. And you can see the garage and see the police for himself. You can see there is police. In fact, the door was that of a cupboard. Actually, this door was not to go outside, it was the door of a cupboard. As the intruder bent forward, Gerard immediately showed his presence of mind. He pushed him inside the cupboard and locked him. Then he called the police, the sergeant, and he handed him over to the police. In this way, because of the over smartness or cleverness of the presence of mind of the Gerard, he was able to catch this intruder, and he was successful in handing him over to the police. So this is the story in which in a humorous way, in a funny way, the playwright has given us the scenes of the various profs are shown, the phone is there, the setting is there, and there is mystery also, suspense also, and the people, they enjoy a lot. So we shall discuss rest in the live class. Otherwise, this is the story of the play If I Were You.